Leg pain, causes and treatment. The lower leg must absorb a great deal of impact during exercise and sports activities involving running and jumping movements. Therefore, it's a frequent site of lower extremity injuries. Lower leg injuries may be caused by direct trauma, such as a blow to the lower leg during a sport-related activity or car accident. It may also be the cumulative result of overuse, misuse, or repetitive use of the lower leg. Since the lower leg is a necessary component in running, jumping, sprinting, and cutting motions, lower leg injuries are commonplace in many sports. There are also certain disease processes that may affect the performance and function of the muscles, tendons, ligaments, or bones in the lower leg. Shin splints are the result of placing too much stress on the tibia bone or the muscles or ligaments running along the tibia bone. Stress fractures usually occur in the weight-bearing bones of the body. Compartment syndrome occurs when the muscles, nerves, and blood vessels within one of the compartments become compressed due to swelling and bleeding within the compartment after an injury. A calf strain, also called a pulled calf, is an injury to one of the calf muscles or their tendons. Acute stage symptoms are characterized by swelling, redness, pain, and possibly a local sensation of heat, indicating inflammation. If coolness makes your pain feel better, then the acute stage treatment is recommended. Apply the Sinew Herbal Ice on your leg to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation while dispersing accumulated blood and fluids to help restore normal circulation to the leg. This first-aid treatment is used in place of ice to significantly speed up the healing process. It reduces the swelling and inflammation more effectively than ice, allowing you to more quickly regain range of motion. Ice is not recommended because it does not help repair damaged tissues and keeps everything in the injured area frozen, causing the stagnation of blood and fluids and the contraction of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In Chinese sports medicine, ice is not used and is considered a culprit in injuries that don't heal well. Massage your leg with acute sinew liniments to relieve pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, break up clotted blood and stagnant fluids, and stimulate circulation of blood and fluids to help cells quickly repair damaged tissues. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Chronic stage symptoms begin once the swelling and inflammation are gone, but you still feel pain, stiffness, weakness, and/or sensitivity in cold and damp weather. If heat makes your pain feel better, then the chronic stage treatment is recommended. Massage your leg with chronic sinew liniments to relieve pain and stiffness, strongly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, and promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. Soak your leg with the Sinew Relaxing Soak to relax muscles and tendons that are in spasm, ease joint pain and stiffness, and improve range of motion. The Sinew Relaxing Soak is particularly useful if you feel restricted mobility in your leg. The soak can be used by saturating a towel in the liquid and applying it to your leg. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. To learn more, visit sinewtherapeutics.com.